Welcome back to Autobike Pro, where we spotlight legendary machines from the past and present. Today, we're taking a trip back in time to explore one of the most iconic pickup trucks in American history, the classic Ford F-100 4x4. Built for toughness, loved for its style, and respected for its capability, the F-100 wasn't just a truck, it was a part of everyday life across farms, construction sites, and small towns. Design, classic strength and steel. The old Ford F-100 had a design that blended utility and style like few others. With its boxy fenders, simple grille, and rounded hood lines, it gave off an aura of strength and dependability. The 4x4 version stood taller, thanks to beefier suspension and knobby off-road tires. It came in regular or long bed formats, making it just as good for hauling logs as it was for cruising down dirt roads. Its steel body panels and durable chrome bumpers told you one thing: this truck was built to last. Interior, pure utility. Step inside, and you were greeted with a no-nonsense cabin. Vinyl bench seats, a metal dashboard, and big, easy-to-use knobs defined the interior. It didn't come loaded with tech or luxury, but that wasn't the point. What you got was a solid steering wheel, simple gauges, and the kind of visibility that made driving easy and intuitive. Some models even had a factory-installed AM radio, luxury for its time. Performance, the workhorse power. The Ford F-100 4x4 came with a range of engines over the years, from the bulletproof inline-6 to V8s like the 292 and 352 cubic inch options. With the 4x4 drivetrain, solid axles, and a sturdy ladder frame, the F-100 could handle rough terrain, muddy trails, and heavy loads with ease. Whether towing hay bales or pulling a camper, this truck earned its stripes through real-world performance, not just stats on paper. Conclusion: a truck that built America. The old Ford F-100 4x4 isn't just a classic. It's a symbol of an era when trucks were built to be tools first, but with enough charm to win hearts. Today, restored F-100s are highly prized by collectors and off-road enthusiasts. They're reminders of a time when reliability, simplicity, and American steel ruled the road. If you're lucky enough to drive or own one, you're not just holding a steering wheel, you're holding history. This is Autobike Pro, and if you love classic power and timeless design, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know, what's your favorite classic pickup truck of all time?